Most living things come into this world defenseless. When they're finally grown, these babies will have all the tools they need to survive. But until that day, nature provides the ultimate guardian and guide. The perfect combination of teacher, nurse, and protector. She's a defender so fierce, even the deadliest predators tremble at the sight of her. Because everybody knows, you don't mess with Mama.